everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a collaboration with a wonderful group of Disney YouTubers. They get together all the time and do collaborations and swaps, and they invited me to one that we're calling the Year of the Ears, where every month there is an ear swap. So basically they make Disney ears and they swap it. So this is the pair that I received. I will also put at the end of the video, I will put me making the pair that I created, but you'll have to check out all of their videos. I will link them below to see who got mine. So it's a big list, but I do want to go through it and let you know everybody that's participating. And of course, I'll link it all below so that you can click on their links. But we've got Twinkling Beauties, Chronically Disney, Mickey Girls, Serena Sparkly Diary, myself, Life with Roxanna, Krazy Kiley 14, I hope I pronounced that correct, the SisketEars, who are actually the ones that organize this, Perfectly Cat, Tangled in the Magic, and Hello Tiffybell. So I will list all of their wonderful websites or their videos below so you can check out what they got, what they made, everything like that. But definitely for sure watch this video at the end. I'll do a speed video of me making the ears that I created and then go find out who it is that got it. So my ears actually came from Life with Roxanna. So she made these, so now we get to open it. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. I'm very excited. I may not have time to actually do many of these, but every couple months they said that it's totally open. Anytime that I want to join, just let them know. So February's theme is, well, love, Valentine's, I believe just love in general. So these are gorgeous. So these are the ears, that's all that's in here, but this is what Life with Roxanna, or Roxanna herself, created for me. So it looks like, yeah, so love is all over this fabric. That bow is absolutely perfect. And I love the little beaded aspect to these ears as well. And you can tell, I believe these are no-sew ears, because I believe you actually pad part of it and then you glue it together. So very cool, very pretty pair of ears for me this month. So thanks for watching. For sure, keep watching till the end and see how I create mine. Have a great day.